Thank you for clicking on another video. I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. Today, we are talking all about Amazon. So how do we make money on Amazon? Now, I am going to tell you how I arrived at researching this topic because I looked on my expenses and a big line item on my monthly expenses was Amazon, things that I was buying throughout the month. Now, I know during the pandemic, we all bought so many things from Amazon because it was easy. They shipped in 48 hours, sometimes 24, and we couldn't get out of the house. So Amazon became my go-to, but it has stayed my go-to even 5 years later. I said, look, I gotta figure out how to stop buying stuff on Amazon or how to make money from Amazon, and I did. I always thought that I needed to buy inventory to sell on Amazon. Like, I need to buy 1 million spatulas and sell those on Amazon one by one and compete with all of the other types of spatulas on Amazon. But that's not what we're talking about today. I am talking about what you already have that you purchased on Amazon, how to make money back from Amazon on those same things. So let's get into the video. So we're gonna talk about the Amazon Influencer Program. So Amazon has this program where you can film a short video about your product and then post it to that product. And then if somebody watches it before they buy, you get a certain percentage of commission of that product. So how do we do this? First, you're gonna have to go on a scavenger hunt in your house. What did you buy on Amazon in the last couple of months that you wanna shoot a video on and review? So I did this. I went throughout my house. What can I review? What did I buy on Amazon? I wanna shoot a short video on how well this product works so that I can get commission from this when somebody watches my review video and then buys the Amazon product. And the best part about this program is you already bought all the stuff. So you already have inventory in your house somewhere that you've already paid for that you can now make money off of with this program. But here's the catch. If you're an introvert, you do not want to be holding up a bottle of anything, talking about this is the best thing in my life and smiling to the camera and doing all those things. You don't have to do it that way. If you want to do a faceless review, then what you should do is set up a faceless review station, meaning like a table with a good background or a desk or a countertop, your kitchen counter, and set up your lighting. You can get a ring light, you can get box lights, all these different kinds of things to light the product so that you don't have to show your face, you don't have to show yourself holding it, but you want to show and highlight the product. Now, to make sales, you can't ramble because your videos should be short. Remember, this is people that just want to find out how good the product is, how it works, and whether or not they should buy it. So you need to have this aesthetic utility to your videos. Like what I do is I get really close up on the product and show the product's texture. You can show how big or small the product is, how you're using it, or show the texture of the product if it's something like lotion or a serum or whatever. And then the other thing is, what I learned to do for this, because I'm just starting out with this too, is I learned to show the product in action. So if it's a vacuum cleaner, you can show a video of you using the vacuum cleaner. Show it cleaning up a mess. I will tell you this, it's actually harder than it looks. It did get a little fun after a while because I knew that I wasn't spending money on products because I already bought them and I already used them. And I just needed to create a quality video so that I could get paid from commissions after I was accepted into the program. So here's the hurdle that most people get hung up on. To get accepted into the program, you need to submit 3 test videos to Amazon, and they have to approve those test videos and then welcome you into the program. So a lot of people will film 1 video or 2 videos and then they don't ever do the 3rd video and then they don't submit. Or they film 3 videos and they're not good and then they get rejected and they say, okay, well, this is not for me, I can't do it. But what I'm telling you is before you even go and establish your account, film 3 really good videos and watch the videos with the thought, if I were watching this video to buy this product, would this video help me understand more about the product, or would I buy this product after watching this person's 30-second video? If you answer no to your own video, girl, shoot it again, do something else with the editing, do something else with the lighting, whatever you need to improve, then redo it and improve it. So keep in mind, a human is reviewing these videos, not AI. So make it aesthetic, make the sound good, everything needs to be good. So if it's bad quality, your camera is shaking all over the place, you're gonna get rejected from the program. So what I picked was, I picked my mouse, I picked a face serum, and I picked my vacuum cleaner. All three of these items I picked because I use them. I know what kind of video I'm gonna shoot for them, and I knew I could get good lighting and good sound with them. Now, all you have to do at this point, once you have your 3 videos, all edited, polished, the lighting's good, the sound is good, all the things, now you can go to the Amazon Influencer Program and submit those videos and wait for them to get back to you, whether you passed or failed with this. I'm gonna do this too with you guys. I'm really excited about this side hustle because it is very, very, very passive. And I want you guys to try to do this. If you're interested in this at all, then let me know down in the comments and I will let you guys know if I was welcomed in. I'll do another video where I talk about what are my next products that I wanna use, or the strategy for finding the products throughout your home that you can use, how to film the videos, and then what is our goal? Like, how much do I want to make in 30 days with this, in 60 days, in 90 days? Do I just want it to be passive income running in the background, or do I want to actively do a video every week? What am I going to do with this program? So I will shoot another video, like a follow-up video, and let me know in the comments if this was helpful, if you guys want to try this program or not. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with somebody who doesn't have a lot of time but needs a little bit of money on the side. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.